keep on giving. That more and tell you, me give her the money. She open her little spot. She asked for the promotion. Me do the promotion. Then me tell her, say, me don't need no money. Me go and do the promotion them. One day she tell me, say, go on a Western Union. Me say, how much money? She said, me nah tell you, just go on a Western Union. But you know, so when you go to Western Union, the people them gonna ask you how much money. But you me always go there, me and the youth cool. Tell the youth, say, God no, me don't know how much money. The youth tell me, say, $1,700. He say, blood clot. $1,700? So I say to myself, say, so with the promotion what me do, and she sent me $1,700, I could have how much money she makes so. Jesus Christ. So after that now, she started to encourage me to start business and shit. She said, yo, I think you could sell boy shorts and shit. And the boy shorts, them used to say powerful pan them and shit like that. And she do that shit. She said just promote it. She set up the website and everything and I promote it. Yeah, them sell. Get a little bit of money off of them. Nothing great. So she asked me to move come to Florida. I say, yo, I'm not depend on that. I'm not moving with no woman. I'm not live with no woman. I can't do that. I love their Jamaica. I'm a yard by myself. And I can just do whatever the fuck I want to do. I love that freedom there. Every day she tell me, if you move come to Jamaica, move come to Florida, move come to Florida. Anyway, move come to Florida. She said, yo, I think you could sell clothes. I said, sell clothes? Yeah? Alright, try it. Start with some powerful hat and some powerful shirt. Big up all of my loyal supporter them like fucking Mugdan, buy the hat them, buy the shirt them and shit. And for the month, I only make $1,000 for the month. Right? That's the first month. And then I said, damn, this is nice. $1,000 is nice. But I'm not really sure so this is it. You see what I say? And starting up come out with a new product. When you Cookie Restore. And Cookie Restore I sell. And she turned to me and she said, yo, me don't know how this shit I sell so. This shit is crazy. You see me? So I said, blood clot. I turned to her and I said, you know why it sell? Because it solve a problem. And it reoccurring. When it done, if you have the problem again, you have to go buy it back. Fuck. And she said, for real? And I say, yo, me need a product like that. Solve a problem, reoccurring. I think about it for months. Me I wonder what me can sell, but I can solve a problem. You consume it or you use it and it gone. And you have to buy more. I'm saying I don't rush myself. I just think about it. Probably about 3 months I think about it. And one day, it just knocked me, dog. Me I say, yo, everybody always associate me with sex. Me need to say that sex pill. Just like that. You see me? And my call Star. The day when I call her, she did there one party. It was at night. She did one party, I call her. I say, Star, Me need to sell a sex pill. She said, yo, me there one party. When we left the party, I call you. You see me? And when she forward home, I say, yo, me need to sell a sex pill. She say, yo, a good idea. Say she know how me can get a sex pill for selling shit. And I say, alright. She link the person. You see me? She link the may I read your comment kind of big. May I read it after the live? Because me I talk now. Yeah. USA they think my hype. So get the pill. Try the pill. Boom, the pill work. Me fuck like say me nah no sense. 3 days straight me a fuck. I say no, this a go work. And the first day me launch the pill. You know say Star make me launch the pill without a pill. Meaning we know which part to get the pill from, but we don't have the money for it. And we make the website, make the label for the pill, put it on the website, take a picture of the sample pill, put it on the website, and start advertise the pill. No pill. Just advertise a picture, an idea. And the shit sell. Myself, I do $1,500 in sales the first day. First day when me see $1,500 in my something there account, me say bumbo clot. If me can make $1,500 a day, would have been nice, would have been good. Me don't need nothing more than that. $1,500 a day, I'm great. You see me? When me get the $1,500, I just go buy the pill them and send it to the people them. You see me? And take my share out of it. Now, a 2 year now since we started the business, and I add more product. I add slippery. This was Star idea too. Well, the sex pill was my idea, but this was Star idea. You see me? A product will make the woman them pussy wet. This was Star idea. And it become my top seller. You see me I say? And I say all of that for say this. Sometime, can I remember say when me help Star, remember say me no know Star from nowhere. Me not even know her 3 months. You see me I say? But she said she want help. I'm a help her. Right? And you see how far the help they go? Look how far the help they go. Till she help me in a greatest way. You see me I say? Me never know her from now. I couldn't say, oh, I'm to that girl. I just fuck that girl one time and that girl come and ask me for money and then blood clot sitting there. Who she, man? But the help there. The help there, dog. You see me? And see that she turn around and help me in the greatest way. To know my life they are the best it ever there, ever. In a real life. You see me? Yeah. So, sometimes you can help people and you not even really see where it go. You see what I say? Sometimes if you just go with your gut feeling and just help people, dog. You see me? Yeah. So, the reason why I may not come to this is because I ask the ladies them if you ever help a man before or whatever. Vice versa, if a man ever help a woman before, dog, you never fucking know how far this help can go. You see me I say? You see me? Yeah, dog. So, help who you can when you can. You see me? Yeah, in a real life. Because it can change your whole fucking life. See what I say? Yeah. Because right now, this comes back to the fucking sugar mama them. Right now, me don't want to see no sugar mama. You see me I say? I wish blood clot sugar mama can look for me right now. She must be mad. You see me? No one of them money. So yeah, dog. Yeah, cause we have my own money now. You see me? And if me never help Star, I wouldn't tell us right now in a real life. So me I say, cause me help her and she end up help me back in her greatest way. You see me? Yeah. So I would even there so right now, dog, in a real life. You see me? So yeah. Star a general, dog. You see me? Star a general. You see me? And dog, miss a nigga like that, you know. And Star are the only girl who may help. And she are the only one who may help where it returned right back to me in such a crazy way. But dog, me do all my video shoot. And a girl forward on the video shoot and she looks sad and just look away. And I just end up a talk to her when the video done and she tell me say, right now, our living condition fucked up. And she try to build a room for herself. You see me I say? She try to build a room for herself at the front of her family yard and shit. And me just give her the money what she says she need to build the room. It's a board room she dey building to show you the situation. Fuck, you know, dog. She a build a board room, you know. And she tell me how much money she need for buy the material them and build the board room, you know. And I tell her, I say, yo, come link me for the money, you know. I give her the whole of the money, you know. And something when me realize is because man not naturally just kind to woman like that. A man who kind to a woman because he might expect something. She naturally thinks that I want some pussy from her. So she was willing to give me the pussy. And I tell her, I say, no. I say, no, I don't want a pussy from you. I say, I'm going to feel like say, me fucking you, that I could just make things one way, because I know say I know somebody who I want. You see me I say? I just give her the money if she build her room. You see me? And me feel like say them thing they follow me forever. So the situation might not be like a star situation where it forward right back to me in such abundance. But me feel like say them little thing they are blessing where. You see me just always follow me. That dog. You see say, yo. You see say me coming like cancer, them can't get rid of me. Always see go on certain things when me do or certain controversy and all of that shit. Me always good. Me never lose yet. You never know. Can't lose. Yeah. Straight like that dog. You see me? So help who you can when you can. And bless you always follow you. It's a powerful move. You see me? And if you never buy nothing now from a website yet, go on the website there, it's sopowerful.com. You see me? Buy something, buy a virginity one, make your pussy tight in a real life and it work. You see me? Buy something, buy a slippery, buy something.